In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use vouchers in Lazada. Whether you're new to the app or just want to make sure your discount applies correctly, I'll walk you through the exact flow so you don't miss any savings along the way. Start by opening the Lazada app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into the correct account for your region so your vouchers are recognized. Once the app loads, tap the Home tab. This brings you to the main feed where you can see featured products, categories, and ongoing promotions, which is the best place to start browsing. Choose a product you want to buy and tap on it to open the product page. Take a moment to review the details. Check the price, variations like size or color if applicable, shipping options, and customer reviews. If your voucher has conditions like a minimum spend or specific seller eligibility, confirm that this item qualifies before proceeding. When you're ready, tap Buy Now. You'll be taken to a page where you can enter the quantity you want. Adjust the quantity to match your needs, keeping in mind that some vouchers require a minimum order total to activate. After setting the quantity, tap Buy Now. Now again to move to the checkout overview. On the checkout screen, scroll down until you find the section labeled Voucher and Code, sometimes shown as Vouchers or Apply Code. This is where you apply your discount. Tap that section to open the voucher input field. If you already have a voucher saved in your account, it may appear here for quick selection. Otherwise, type in your voucher code exactly as it appears. Watch out for uppercase letters, numbers, and any dashes or special characters. After typing the code, tap Confirm. The app will validate the code and, if it's eligible, you'll see the discount applied to your order total right away. If the code doesn't work, double-check the spelling, expiration date, and any requirements like minimum spend, product category, or participating sellers. You can remove and re-enter the code if needed or try a different valid voucher. That's it. You've successfully applied a Lazada voucher. From here, you can review your order summary, and once you're satisfied with the discount and details, you can proceed with your usual checkout steps. Remember to apply your voucher before finalizing the order so you don't miss out on the savings. Happy shopping and enjoy your discounted purchase.